Welcome back, my beautiful family. How is everyone feeling? How is everyone doing? How's everyone feeling? Well, I am currently a little emotional. Just had a really good conversation with a friend. A lot of us are going through situations in our lives right now, and get on the phone with a friend or get on the phone with a loved one and talk about, the things that you're going through. She made me feel a lot better. Today is Friday, by the way, and I just got home from work a little while ago. So that's why I'm looking a little tired and a little greasy. But I just wanted to get this video out to you guys because I have been holding on to this since, did I receive this? Since Saturday, I believe. Since last Friday or Saturday. I'm sorry, but I opened it up already. And that's the box. This is the summer box. I had to open it up and see what was in here because I was watching some other videos and I was really excited. Up until I kind of opened this box, but let me get back to my friend. So, if she's watching this video, you know who you are. I just got off the phone with you, and I already feel better regarding that situation. And I just want all you guys to know that, if you're going through something, I promise you, it will get better. And I know that the situation that was discussed will get better. Because, honestly, it can't get any worse. So it will get better. And I have faith in that. So thank you. Thank you so much, sweetie. Thank you. Okay, so enough of the emotional stuff because I'll just, believe me, I'll just continue rambling about that subject and I don't even want to touch it. Don't even want to touch it because it's not worth it. So, I just want to give a shout out to my other good friend, Estella. Estella, you know who you are, honey, and I hope you're watching this video because I think she watches all of my videos. I just want to say thank you so much for what you sent me. You know what I'm talking about. That really made my day. And I really appreciate it. And when you are good and ready to send that, I'll be here waiting. Hon, I'm not going anywhere. Thank you so much. Such a sweetheart. And a good friend now. You're a really good friend now. And I hope that 2020, although it's been kind of crappy for all of us, but I hope that it's a better year for you. And I hope that 2021 is even better for you. Because you deserve it. You deserve that and more. And thank you for your services. Thank you. Okay, so with that being said, let's tear into this wonderful summer box. This is their summer collection. Now, let me tell you something. I could not wait to open this box to see what was inside because of what I was seeing on, other people's channels and stuff that they've received. I was a little disappointed. Now, should I go back into the website and change my preferences, change my settings? I don't know. Because I was hoping to receive a few of the things that other people received, and I didn't. There's one really good thing in here. I don't think I've seen in other channels that they've received, but I'm really happy for one thing here. And I'm going to leave that one for last because it's my favorite. But, kind of disappointed. So let's open this up, and let me just show you quickly the other things that, let's leave this open. Let's go into this magazine because this is the magazine. Oh yeah, girl, let me tell you something. Finally got my nails did. Finally, pink. They're not showing up pink, but they're pink. Everything. Got my mojo back. Now I just have to work on these because, so I have to see if my girl is in, because I have to get the hair did. Have to get it did. It's July now. I have to get with it. So we'll see. I don't think my girl is working every day, so I have to see what her schedule looks like, because I can only go on certain days. All right, so let's go over what's in this box. So of course you guys all know that certain things like, hello, this vase, beautiful. I don't know why I didn't receive it. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's from Pottery Barn. Why wouldn't I like that? Hello. They have and this was one of the things that I was really hoping to receive, and it's a wireless charging pad. Look how pretty that is. And I know several people received that. Hello. Why? I mean, I can go into the website and order it, but I'm not going to, because actually this charging pad, I don't know if you can see, $35. The girl is not about that life. I can find another one on Amazon. May not be as cute as this one is with the flowers and the blue cord, but I can find one. I mean, beautiful things here. Also this, well, I don't know. This necklace is really, really nice with a key. And look at this. This is like a carry-on bag. It's like a makeup bag. I mean, I don't really need another one because I think I have like 3 of them, but look at this color. It's beautiful. I don't know. I don't know what happened, but let's get into what I received. And I'm going to leave this open so I can just tell you the prices of the things that I received. All right. Remember, we're going to leave the good item for last. All right, so I received this beach mist, and it is, I guess, like after you tan, it's an after you know, you're sunbathing and stuff like that. So it's an after sun spray, and it's from Beach Mist. I don't even remember what this smells like. Okay, this is what it looks like. I just looked at these things briefly. So can you see that? Now this smells, I guess it's supposed to, it's a very faint smell of tanning lotion. It's really nice. It feels like water, actually. It's not greasy. It's not creamy at all. And it looks like water. But I don't know what this is supposed to do. Let me see if I look at the book. This is supposed to, oh, here it is. Oh, this is valued at $42, by the way. And it's a reset and refresh for your skin by spritzing the soothing aloe, mint, and lavender. Okay, it has aloe, mint, and lavender. It's not very strong at all. I promise you, it's not. But that's a nice treat. Will I use it? I'm not quite sure if I'll use that, but let's see. Okay, let's go on to the next item. And it's the Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. This I will definitely use. And look at the size of this box, people. Look how huge that box is. Okay. So this is a toner. I actually use toners. So this is from Terra Marie, I think. Terra Marie, something like that. The bottle is very pretty. It's a burgundy color, and this is a big bottle. That smells nice. It smells like tea tree oil a little bit. It's kind of perfumey. It's very light though. Okay, let's see what this is valued at. It's right here. This is the Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. Reveal your best skin yet, as the Aloe and Tea Tree combo soothes skin and sloughs away dead skin cells. Oh, excuse me. This is valued at $54. 54. All right, let's move into the next one. I'm in 9 minutes already. Haven't even Jeez. All right. The next item is goat milk. And this is condition and restores, revitalizes, and restores. Oh, condition and restores. I'm sorry. This is a moisturizing cream. And who is this from? Kate. Kate? Kate Somerville. Oh, I've heard of that brand. They're very expensive, that I know for a fact. And it looks like this. Nice little purple. I don't know how it's coming up, because I do have a light here. Well, it has a little cover on it. Oh, this is very, very creamy, and it's coming off. Oh, it smells really nice. It does. It's very light. It smells very nice. So it's supposed to, has goat milk in it. That's why it's so creamy and runny. I'll definitely use that. And that is valued at, let me see. Oh, here it is. $65. Made with lactose from goat's milk, jojoba, and avocado, this gentle formula instantly absorbs into the skin for a healthy glow. That's nice, and I'll be using that. Thank you very much. Let's see the next item. This is a perfume. It's like a what is this called? Oh, I can't even see, this print is so small. It's from Riddle. I don't know if you've ever heard of that brand. I've never heard of this brand at all. Riddle. But the bottle looks like this. See through. And this, it's like a roller ball, and it's like an oil. It's kind of on a thick side. Let me tell you something. Oh my goodness. This smells so good. So, oh, people. Oh my goodness. I didn't even try this when I opened it. Let me read this is everything. Everything. It's an oil because it is it's oily. It's like a body oil. Perfumey body oil. Oh my goodness, let me find this. Here it is. Riddle Oil Original Roll-On. This perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that's unique to you. And that's valued at $50. But, oh my goodness. So it will smell differently on everyone according to their body chemistry. That is amazing. That is amazing. But I love the way it smells on me. So I don't know if it comes in a bigger bottle, or I need to spray this on me. Like, this is not enough. It's not. I need to look into that. Okay. One more before my favorite. And this is Lashes MD. I know you guys have definitely heard about this. I'm pretty sure. This is very popular. And this is for eyelashes and eyebrow. This is the conditioner for eyelashes and eyebrows. And looks like this. You can see. All right, let's see. So I guess it conditions. It doesn't say anything about growing or helping to, oh my. Okay. You know I smell everything, I'm sorry. So it looks like this. And I guess you can pass it on your eyelashes before you go to sleep. And your eyebrows to help condition them. Let me see what this says and what it's valued at. Where is it? Okay. So that retails for $69.95. The signature formula rejuvenates and moisturizes lashes with amino acids, peptides, and vitamins. All right, so it rejuvenates your eyelashes and your eyebrows. Very nice. Okay, and I received one more item. I did receive one more item, but I gifted that because it came at the perfect time. And I knew that I was not going to use it. Let me show you a picture of it. So I gifted it to someone for their birthday. Let me see if I find it here. No, I can't find it in the magazine. Let's see. It's not even here. How can that be possible? I don't see it. I may put link, let me try to see if I link a picture of it down below. But I definitely do not even see it in the magazine. It's a jewelry, it's a tray. It's a small tray for your jewelry. Like you can put it on your dresser or on your night table or something like that. I don't even see it here. Unbelievable. The magazine does that. I don't know. This whole thing with, oh, let me just show you this bag, by the way. The bag that I wanted that I didn't receive. Look how cute that is. So it's not a makeup bag. It's more of a cooler. So you can take it on picnics and stuff and just, you know, put food and stuff like that. So I'm pretty sure it was insulated. That's freaking awesome. And I'm so sorry that I didn't find it. But anyway, okay. I'll link a picture of it or put a picture of it somewhere here or something like that. So the last item, which I'm very surprised because I don't think that I've seen anyone else receive this, was this beautiful Michael Kors wallet. Michael Kors wallet. I have no idea what this retails for, but I know it's a lot of money. So the inside looks like that. With your cards here, your money in here. Has two pockets. Isn't that cute? Or, you know, like even a passport or something like that actually you can put in here. Isn't that pretty? I am so happy. And I'm going to put this in my bag and use it like yesterday. Let's see what that retails for because I can only imagine. This is Michael Kors. You know, I definitely saw that here. All right, here it is. That retails for $78, which honestly, I mean, is a lot, but it's not a lot, you know, just because it's Michael Kors. So the sleek wallet keeps your passport, told you, credit cards, and boarding passes super organized. So it's a passport wallet. I don't care. I'm going to use it for credit cards and cards that I normally use or something like that. I'll figure something out. But this is going in my bag like right now, right after this video. It is because I personally love Michael Kors and I absolutely love Louis Vuitton. Anyone that knows me, Louis and Michael, those are my boys. All right. So that is all. I'm going to link that tray if I find it, a picture of it, and that is it for now. I hope that you guys stay well, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.